So hey guys, welcome back with another video. Today we are going to learn about the how to remove a background in a Figma, as we are using a plugins which is called the benzene.io. So it's really helpful to remove any background. So as you can see, this is the image. So if you see the transform size, and it's a PNG object. So how I did this? So first thing is, I'll tell you this website is benzene.io. It's a really free and a really useful website, so you can see the trials also as well. So this is the object you can see here. So this is removed, so you can read the description. First of all, you have to go to the website and create one account, and they will give a API key which is you have to input in your Figma account. So let's go to, I'll show you the how it is. So you have to go on to the your source site while clicking shift I on your keyboard. So you will see this one. So you will go plugin and you will see this one. So first thing is, you have to install this one. So you can, if I go through the view, you will see that there is running is the free removing tools. It's really free. So if you are facing any problem while creating a key API key, so let me know in the comment below. So I'll show you the one demo. I'll go with one image. Okay, I'll search only image on Google. Let's take any of those images which is I got here on the flight sites. Okay, same, the boards is there. So let's try this one first, because I already tried this one. Okay, so let's paste it here on the Canva. Okay, and I'll go through the not only source, but I'll right click on the keyboard and the plugins and go to run and remove background. It will take 5 to 10 seconds time to analyze the images and everything. So see, boom, our background has been removed. So it's a really useful tool to when we are working on the projects, on personal projects and the client projects. You will like quickly you can show this is the things this wiki where we can place, and the look and feel you can tell. Okay, so let's try another images, like might be maybe icon or some professional image. This is the animal. So I want to go through the some complicated image. Okay, not only this one. So let's take this one because of the loss of background and the foreground over there. So copy images, and I'll go through again and paste it here, Control V. So let's see. So this time I'll press shortcut Control I and go through the API, and I'll click this one and remove. Okay, so boom, our background is removed. But there is some minor problem over there. So you can see there is some error. So we can fix this while using a crop tools, right, for the use. So this is it. And so also you can crop this side. Okay, but make sure hold the shift. Okay, so this is it. Hope you understand how to remove object background in Figma. See you on the next video.